welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nizzymacllc and I'm back on the track. Thanks for dropping in, you guys. So today's video, as you can tell by the title, is a wig review, okay? So today's wig is provided to me by True Glory Hair. This is gonna be kind of like a review slash styling tutorial. I have been super obsessed with like the curtain bang and thing, and so I thought I would kind of like do master it on my own, kind of with straight hair. I got it down packed with curly hair, but I really haven't been able to figure out the straight hair because there is levels to it, okay? And I'm still not very satisfied because one side looks better than the other. We'll figure it out, okay? This unit is one of their ready to go wear units. It's supposed to come ready to wear. This is what it's supposed to look like, and as you can see, when I took this out of the box, it did not look like that at all. So you will need to style the bangs on your own. I'm not sure, you know, why the bangs didn't come styled, but like, I'm kind of glad they didn't because I was able to do the curtain bangs instead of a fringe bangs. And I am glad that that happened, but I am not sure if when you order this unit, it will come chopped or not. I'm just being really transparent because this is the way that it came. As you can see, like, I'm not lying or anything. Like, it came unstyled. Now it does come curled. So like, it looks like someone used like a curling iron and curled the ends, because the curl on this hair is holding really good, okay? So the curl pattern is really good and it holds a curl really good. This is a really good brand of hair. I want to say this is like 16 to 18 inches because it's really long when you stretch it out. But as you can see, those curls make it pop back up. It does come layered, also kind of like face framing, but I did like layer it just a little bit more with these curtain bangs or whatever. Now the wig cap is very small on my head. I do have locks on under here, just a disclaimer about that. But I do want to note, like, usually I will have locks and I'll still be able to, you know, tug and stuff, but this wig cap, it has to be like a 22 or a 22.5. It's glueless because it does have an elastic band. Let's talk about the cap construction. You do get an elastic band on the inside as well as two combs and then a comb in the back. The elastic band is adjustable. It has the bra strap clasp on it, so you can adjust it three different lengths or whatever. I currently have it on the largest one because, like I said, this wig is very small, y'all. It's kind of sliding back and I will have to glue this down if I do decide to wear it. I am loving the curtain bang thing. I just kind of really haven't figured it out yet. And this side, I've been having trouble with this side since I took this out of the box. Like, I was struggling. Like, the hair is really good, but at the same time, it's a hassle because I did put hairspray on this hair and I did kind of like press the hair down, and it's still just like doing what it wants to do. I'm not quite sure what that's about. I hate when one side does not match the other side. Like, oh my gosh. But it's not bad, you guys, so I'm not complaining. I've been seeing the curtain bangs trend on TikTok all over the place, so I love that. I love the curtain bangs because I have a fatter face. So I like when stuff is like in my face. I've always been a bangs girl. Like, fringe bangs was my thing in college, and now curtain bangs is my thing. So I will be probably layering like all my units like this because, yeah. So I watched a couple TikToks tutorials on how to cut the bangs, and it was super easy. It's super easy and it comes out perfect every time if you do it this way. You kind of want to create a triangular section. I did split the hair down the middle. That's for starters what you'll do, and then you go ahead and create a triangle part, and I kind of measured like at the ends of my eyebrows, so that's your stopping point. Once you get that, go ahead and section everything off because this little part is going to be this bang area or whatever. I will say, by doing this, it makes the bangs kind of like a little bit longer in the face, but like, that's okay. You will have to go in and kind of adjust it to your liking and to your length. I did have to cut like a little bit more, and I'm probably still thinking I'm gonna cut a little bit more. I just don't have time at the moment because y'all, I just started this new job and I gotta clock in 10 minutes. So so that's what I did, you guys. Once you split that in two and then to the triangles, you're gonna like I think it's called over direction, when you bring the hair over here and you cut it, and then you bring this side over here and you cut it. And I cut it like jaw length, right where my jaw is, so it can kind of like be right there, you know. But I suggest going just a tiny bit higher, like maybe like right here, or even right here, because I don't know, I'm not satisfied, but I just feel like I could have gone a little bit shorter. But you know, it's your personal preference to where you want to cut your bangs. So yeah, after that I did go ahead and like take a little bit of hair from the side, and then I went ahead and kind of matched the diagonal cut, so make sure everything kind of flows together, and boom, that's it. You pop a couple curls in on this side, and then you will need to style this bang. Now this is the part that I am super struggling on, and I still really haven't figured out how to do. So I'm like, okay, like it's all right, you know, we'll get into it or whatever. I saw the tutorial that you need to well, and most people had a blow drying dress. I don't have a blow drying comb or one of those paddle brushes that are round. I don't have that, so I'm probably gonna order that because I think that it's essential, honestly. But I just took my flat iron and I bumped it under so you get that curl, and then you want to go ahead and curl it up, like up and out, like so you can get that volume in the crown. Now by doing that, I think I jacked this side up because it was already like a hot mess, but this side, it came out really perfect. So I'm like, I don't get it. Trial and error and practice makes perfect. So I mean, once I perfect this, I'm pretty sure I will offer a tutorial, a better tutorial for y'all, but I'm just showing y'all how I did this. And yeah, I mean, if you guys want to try this curtain bang, please make sure you guys look up YouTube tutorials, especially for the especially YouTube tutorials of white women. I know it sounds crazy, and I'm not being racist or nothing, but like white women style their hair with the curtain bang, and they have volume in the crown area, and they have the rollers up there. Like they be doing it, because I was up last night on TikTok all night trying to make sure that I had this down before I did it. And a lot of the tutorials were or white people or Indian people, because they have that hair that, you know. But so this is, I mean, this is a wig, so it's basically, you know, white woman hair. So I'm like, this will work. This will work. I just need that paddle brush, y'all. But honestly, I love it. I love this style. I love the hair. I'm not a fan of the wig cap because it is super small, and the wig does keep sliding. Y'all know how glueless wigs are. Like, it'll just keep sliding throughout the day, and then wig will be in the back of your neck. But honestly, I love it. I love this style, and I have no complaints. Okay, the hair is so good on this that I don't have a problem. Now I have did reviews from them before, from their sister company, Kinky Curly Yaki, and they have very good curly hair. And now this is like straight hair, and it's just really soft, and it just feels like virgin, like it's from one, like the whole thing is from one donor, which explains why like this side of the hair is doing something different, because I mean, it's imperfect, you know, like hair when it comes from one person, it's imperfect. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking happened. So I'm not gonna, you know, give it a bad rating or anything. I'll give this a 9 out of 10 in my book. But like I said, make sure that when you order this, you guys see if it comes styled in the fringe bang or not. Yeah, that wraps it up for this review. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching.